Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car seat gap fillers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the UOTIL car seat gap filler. If you're constantly losing small items like keys, coins, or your phone between your car seats, this gap filler might be worth your consideration. Designed to completely eliminate gaps, it ensures a clutter-free and distraction-free driving experience. Made with high-quality polyurethane material and EVA foam, it's scratch-resistant, waterproof, and built to last, while offering a snug, secure fit without damaging your car's interior. Installation is a breeze with UOTIL. You simply slide it into the gap and you're good to go. It's a universal fit for most cars, SUVs, and trucks, accommodating seat gaps from 1 to 2.3 inches. However, the product does lack some multifunctionality, offering a more basic solution compared to competitors. With a weight of just 7.8 ounces, it's lightweight but still durable. While it's a solid choice for basic gap coverage, it doesn't offer additional features like storage or hooks. Overall, UOTIL is a reliable choice for anyone looking for a minimalistic and budget-friendly gap filler. However, its simplicity might not appeal to those seeking extra functionality, and it has fewer customer reviews to back its performance. Pros include its durable materials and easy installation, while cons include limited versatility and lack of advanced features. At rank number 4, we have the MyU No Drop Seat Guard. This product offers a sleek, full-fit contoured design that ensures 99% of small items won't slip between your seat and console. It's perfect if you're tired of fishing out your phone or keys from those hard-to-reach gaps. Built from high-density foam and polyurethane, this gap filler is soft, elastic, and scratch-resistant. Plus, it's easy to clean and won't deform over time. What sets the MyU apart is its 2-in-1 storage design, featuring 3 compartments for essentials like your phone or wallet. It's an excellent pick if you want to maximize the utility of your car's interior space without compromising on seatbelt access. Installation is quick and tool-free. Just press it into the seat gap and you're ready to go. However, while it fits most vehicles, its universal compatibility may not work for extremely narrow or wide gaps. MyU delivers a great balance between design and functionality, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want both gap protection and added storage. Pros include its well-thought-out design and durable materials, while cons include its slightly heavier weight and fewer customization options. It's a versatile option for most car owners. Coming in at number 3 is the Hiesienlo Car Seat Gap Filler. This product combines functionality and style, thanks to its premium PU leather exterior and soft sponge interior. Not only is it durable and waterproof, but it also offers a sleek, modern look that blends seamlessly with most car interiors. It's an excellent solution for keeping keys, coins, and other small items from slipping into the crevices, so you can focus on the road ahead. Installation is straightforward. Just insert it into the seat gap and it stays securely in place, even when adjusting your seat. This universal fit gap filler works with most cars, trucks, and SUVs, provided the gap is less than 2.3 inches. One standout feature is its complete gap coverage, wrapping around the seatbelt buckle for added security. However, it doesn't offer any storage compartments or hooks, so it's more of a gap blocker than an organizer. The Hiesienlo is perfect for those who value aesthetics and simplicity. It's a great gift option, too, with its thoughtful packaging and practical utility. Pros include its premium materials and snug fit, while cons are its lack of additional storage features. If you're looking for a stylish and effective gap filler, the Hiesienlo is a great mid-tier choice. At number 2, we have the Give-A-5 Car Seat Gap Filler. This product isn't just a gap blocker. It's a multifunctional organizer that combines gap coverage with storage and a hook system. Made from high-density foam, it's flexible, durable, and easy to clean, making it a long-lasting addition to your car's interior. Its unique 180-degree flip design allows you to switch between a functional storage side and a clean, minimalist look. offering versatility to suit your mood or needs. The Give a 5 gap filler attaches securely to the seat belt buckle, providing 100% gap coverage without requiring constant adjustments. Its compact size and universal fit make it a great option for most vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. The added organizer compartments and hooks are a big plus, allowing you to store small items or even hang lightweight objects like bags or umbrellas. Overall, Give a 5 is an excellent choice for drivers looking for a multifunctional solution. Pros include its innovative design, sturdy build, and added storage features. On the downside, it's slightly bulkier than simpler gap fillers, which may not appeal to minimalists. If you want an all-in-one solution, Give a 5 is hard to beat. Finally, at the top spot, number 1, we have the Drop Stop, the original patented car seat gap filler. As seen on Shark Tank, this product is a fan favorite, and for good reason. Made from high-grade neoprene, it offers unmatched flexibility, expanding or contracting to fit virtually any gap size. What makes it stand out is its unique feature of attaching to your seatbelt buckle, ensuring it moves with your seat and stays in place. No readjustments needed. The Drop Stop provides 100% gap coverage, not just in front, but also surrounding and behind the seatbelt catch. This ensures that no small items like keys, phones, or coins can slip through. The package includes 2 drop stops, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side, plus bonus items like a slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. These extras add even more value to an already impressive product. With a near-perfect customer rating and a reputation for lasting a lifetime, the Drop Stop is the ultimate choice for anyone who wants reliable gap protection. Pros include its durable construction, universal fit, and thoughtful extras. The only con is its higher price point, but given its longevity and features, it's worth every penny. If you want the best of the best, the Drop Stop is your go-to solution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.